Now I'm going to design this list student GSP. So this will display a table which consists of the student records in the database. So I'm naming it as the title student list. So here in the body I'm going to create a table. So I'm opening now div tag, then a table tag. Before that I'm giving it a heading students table. So in this table there are 4 columns, student ID, name, campus, and the last one is action. So the last column will consist of the buttons of edit and delete. So let's open a table row, then table heading. So there are going to be 4 headings. Student ID, name, campus, the last one is action. Then the next one is the table record. So the table data, this is also going to be 4. So this table rows will be looped using a for loop. So I will be explaining it by doing the cut function. So for now I am not giving any records here. So this last one is going to the last one, the action column. So this is going to consist of 2 buttons. So for that buttons I'm gonna create 2 forms inside it. One for the edit button, another one for the delete. So action I'm giving it I'm leaving it as blank for now. Method, of course, it's post. Same for this form too. Then inside it I'm going to define a field as an input field as an hidden. So that hidden field means it doesn't show up on the interface, but it still holds a value. So when you pass form values, the value in the hidden field also will be passed. So the reason I will tell later while implementing these button functions. I'm not giving any name here. Value then the button. So this is I am giving it for the edit. The next one I am going to use for the delete. Okay. Okay, so I think the table design is done. Let's run and see how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So the table isn't complete yet. I'm going to modify this using some CSS. So let's see that. Right now I'm gonna add some CSS to this page. So I'm opening a style tag here. So inside it, first one I'm gonna add some borders to my table and the cells. So I'm selecting table THT elements and giving it a border of 1 pixel solid black. The next one, I want my table to be in the center of the page, so I'm gonna adjust it using margin. So I'm giving it a margin of on the left and right 25%. Then I want it to be a bit more wider. Okay, like the table, there's a heading also. I want that heading also to be in the center, just above the table. And I am giving and increasing the margin a bit. Then I want the text to be in the center of the cells. So I want to adjust them to pixel and text align as I'm giving it as center. So okay, now let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I think it will be better if there's a gap between these two buttons, so I am giving a break tag here. Okay, now that looks fine. Right now there are no records, so for now it's just a blank table. So that's it. So I'm done with this design of this list student page. So now let's move on to the next one, the get student. Okay, now so I'm going to design this get student JSP. So this get student JSP page is going to be similar to the design of this add student with a few minor changes. So I am just copying it and pasting down here. So I'm gonna change the title. as get student, and these features are going to be same, and I'm changing the heading to student file. Then this action, so let it be blank for now. Then here I am adding one more attribute value. So this page is to retrieve the student's detail. So in this if I give any value in this value field, by default it will appear in the design and in the page. So I'm giving value here too. Then okay, I'm removing this module section. Of course I'll be showing how to insert the checkbox value, but I'm not doing how to retrieve and edit it. That may need some more work to done, so I just want to keep this simple for you, so I'm not doing the edit part for the modules. So I'm keeping it with these three, name, ID and the campus. So then, and also I'm making this student ID as read only, so it cannot be edited because it's a primary key field. I have made it as a primary key in the database, so I don't want my primary key to be edited. So that's it. So let's run and see how it looks like. There you go. Okay, this is how I wanted it. So okay, and also in this select campus, I'm going to remove this select campus. Instead of select campus, the default campus the student selected, that must appear. So I'm removing it now. So that's about this get student JSP files design. Okay, so the UI part is completed for now, except that report generation UI. I will be doing that while implementing the report generation function. Okay, then see you all in the next video with the implementation of CRUD functions. Thank you.